Give us your name and make and model, please.
Gavan, and it's a Suzuki Sierra.
A little bit of work done to it. Can you cover off the mods, please?
It's a L67 supercharged V6, just a Commodore motor. It's an Art Car Turbo 700, 1,000 horsepower box, and 3.8 Atlas 2-speed transfer case with patrol axles. Got long fields, RCVs. Yeah, it's just a good truck. Works well.
Tell us a bit about your competition experience.
Absolutely zero. This was my first comp. I came up last year, fell in love, and decided to take the daily off the road, and here it is today.
What are you expecting from the weekend?
Just here to enjoy it, have a good time. Hopefully we do well and have no breakages. I'd like to thank Team Blitz, my wife Jess, Cam and Kane. Without their efforts we wouldn't be here this weekend, so big thanks to those two, and that's about it. Obviously Tuff Truck putting on the event, and yeah.
Good luck, have a sensational weekend.
Thanks very much, Simon. Cheers.